Hello, this is Jason. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Raspbian on a SD card in Linux using terminal commands. I will use a Raspberry Pi 1B Plus model as an example, cause I only have that one. Okay, first we need to search Raspberry Pi. Search Google for. Wait a minute, I have a slow internet connection. Search for Raspberry Pi, Raspbian image, system image. Okay, my internet connection is really slow. Okay, we click Raspberry Pi downloads link. Okay, now we need to download Raspberry Pi systems. We need Raspbian. Then we download Raspbian Buster Night. We do not need the GUI this time, but if you need the desktop environment, you could this download this file. But now we only need this file. Click on this link and it will start download. Okay, I have already downloaded this file to my Linux system. I will cancel this download task. Now I'm gonna log into my Linux PC. Okay, now this is what we downloaded just now. We have a .zip file, but we need to unzip it using unzip command, and we will get execute this command. We will get this file, the image file. We will use this file for flashing. Okay, now I need to insert my SD card. Now I have inserted my SD card into my Linux system. I will. You can check out your SD card by this command. ls bulk. Now you can see my SD card. Normally it will show up as dot slash device dot slash mmc bulk mmc bulk 0. But on some Linux systems it will be slash device slash sdb or sdx, something like this. Okay, say we have got the path to our SD card. Now we just use this command dd input file equal 2019 image file output file equal slash device slash mmc box 0. And if you want this command to execute faster, you can add this bs equal 4k Okay, I'm not gonna execute this, but you need to, because I have already executed it. This command, dd command, could take several minutes, so you have to wait for it. After that, you just need sync. Sync will tell Linux to take out all cached operations. Okay, after that, everything is fine. You just need to insert your SD card into your Raspberry Pi and it will boot. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.